Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I'm going to continue my little short series of my top 15 accessories for my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, the newest one out there. I've got 15 different items that I'm saying that either I personally like, that I think that everybody should have. No, not everybody's going to be the same. Not everybody. My number one might be your number 15 or might not even make your list. But anyways, today I want to finish up, do part 2 of this series. We're going to do items number 10 through 6, and let's go ahead and get started with those right now. Starting off with number 10 is going to be this F9 Pro screen from Test Studio, and this thing is so cool. What I really like about it, even though it matches up to everything that's in my car, I can change the color in it, I can do all that stuff. It lets me know here, look, I show you. It lets me know when I open my door, when the door is open. Lets me know when I put my foot on the brake, different things like that. But what I really enjoy about it is that it has CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, with Android Auto, what I love about it is that when I'm traveling, it lets me know when there's cops out there and all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. And it tells me about the speed cameras and all that, which I currently don't have in my car. Tesla does not have that in there yet. But anyways, this thing here, it has Android Auto. I did have some issues when I first got it, meaning trying to get the Android Auto to work. I had to go through different settings and different things like that in my phone, but I finally got it to work. It took me a little bit of time, but now every time I get in my car, as soon as I get moving, Android Auto automatically turns on. It goes right to the screen right here, and it has everything there for me. It still tells me everything about my car over here, and I just love it. I can see the speed, how fast I'm going, what the speed limit is right there in front of me without having to look over, which is not a big deal, but I do like the fact that I have everything right here. This screen is awesome. That's the reason why it made my top 10. All right, and next one is number 9 for my countdown here is going to be my seat covers from EV Base. Now, I already had white seats. I know that. That's the reason why you can see the white lining and stuff in my car. But I really like these for the fact that sometimes I'm an Uber driver at times, so I wanted to help protect my seat, so when I go to trade this in or sell it later on, the seats will still look new. Now, I will say this, that these seat covers, now that I got them installed, my seats are actually softer and more comfortable to drive in. They add a little bit of cushion in there, and I really like the way they feel. Plus, I love these little black stripes right here. I like that. The air conditioning through the seats still comes through, and of course the heat will, the seat heaters will work too. But right now I'm just using the air conditioning because it's 100 degrees out every day, and these things are working great. But when I've had people in my car, they can't tell that these are not the original seats. They don't look like they're seat covers. I mean, they are great. All the way in the back there, they cover everything, and they look great. That's why they're number 9. All right, number 8 for my Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. Next thing I'm going to have is my brake caliper covers. These ones here are from Tessery, and I just love the way they look. Now, I know I installed mine upside down. I don't care about that. They can go on either way that you want them to go to install them on. And they have lots of different colors. I like the blue, and they look great, and they're actually pretty easy to install. So that's why they made my number 8. Moving on. Coming in at number 7 is going to be these really cool welcome lights that every time my doors open up, it puts a nice cool little welcome, and then it changes to the Tesla logo down below it, and I really like it. They're super bright at night, and they just look great. It just gives your car that extra wow every time you open the door, especially at nighttime. That's why I like these. And these ones are from Test Studio. And finishing off this series for number 6 is going to be this rear camera from Test Studio. This thing here, it took me a little bit of time once again to get well, really the only thing I had problem was getting my clock to work. It was working, but I kept putting on the wrong time zone, and I was having troubles with that. But now that I got it figured out, it is working great. I love this camera. It's always recording, okay? So it's recording the front, the back. Sometimes your Tesla cameras may not record everything, but guess what? This is going to give me an extra backup for if something was to happen. I have it recording. I put a 128 gigabyte SD card in the top here, and it's always recording. Or actually, it's on the top. All right. So anyways, this thing here is pretty cool. I mean, you can do different things. You can move your camera around here. You can flip it over. I even got a camera for the front. So once again, like I said, if I'm out being an Uber driver and I want some extra protection in here, meaning with the camera, it's recording in here. Now, as you can see, it is upside down. Okay, so what? If there's something I really needed this footage for in my video editing software, I could just flip it over. That's not a hard thing to do, but at least I could still see it and I could view it, and it gives you a really good view of everything. You can see there the square, that's everything that it's recording. That's awesome. You can see both at the same time if you want. You just flip right through and there you go. So that's why this camera here made number 6 for me. All right, there you go. This is part 2. This is numbers 10 through 6 of my top 15 items that I feel that I definitely must have for my Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition. I got the 2026 model. I think that this is something that, or these accessories are things that most people are going to want. If not a big deal. Not a big deal if you don't think so. Maybe your numbers might rank them a little bit different. Let me know down in the comments below what numbers you might give them. But anyways, this is part 2. This was numbers 10 through 6. And guys, if there's any of these items that you're interested in the description will be the link to each one. Okay, all you gotta do is click it, go straight there. They have lots of different items for different vehicles. All these companies are great. They got great customer service. All you gotta do is click on them, take you straight there, check out, and use my discount code. Use my discount code. Most of the links that you click on will automatically put the discount code in there. But if it doesn't, make sure you put in my discount code and save some money. Might be 20%, might be 25%, might be 10%. Who knows what it is? But make sure you guys use it, okay? All right. Hey, also, I do have a giveaway for a free Tesla wall charger. Okay, it's brand new, still in the box. I've never used it. I'm going to give it away. Right here's the link, and also in the description will be the link to the video that gives you all the instructions and how you can get qualified to do it. It's pretty easy. Just watch the video. It doesn't take long. And then make sure you do some comments, and then you have your chance. The video I'm going to give away the Tesla wall charger on August 18th, 2025. So make sure you follow those instructions and do what you got to do. Guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and stick around. I got my top 5 items coming up next. Thanks.